Today we will discuss about the theory of inference. Theory of inference. So what is the theory of inference? Is the one of the subtopic of discrete mathematics. So what is the theory of inference? The theory associates such a things is called the theory of inference. Next we will see the one of the tools, logical equivalence. So what is the logical equivalence? This is your first one rule is conditional law. So conditional law P implies Q, it can be written as negation P or Q. First term is replaced by negation P and the second one is replaced by or Q. This is symbol is or. This is a conditional law. Second one is chain rule. So what is the chain rules here? P implies Q, Q implies R. It can be written as P implies R. So Q should be cancelled. So what is the remaining here? P tends to R is the remaining here. It can be written as P tends to R. This is a two rules for the logical equivalence. Next, another concept of the important rule is the logical implications rule. So what is the logical implication rules? It is referred for the expressing is a conditional statement. It is the logical equivalence. So first one, P comma P tends to Q. It can be written as Q. This is called as modus form. So PP cancel. This remaining is Q. So the Q is here one of the rules for the logical implication. This is called the modus form. Second one, negation Q and P implies Q. It can be written as negation P. So Q cancel. So what is the remaining here? Negation P is the remaining. So negation P is this rules is called the modus form. So introduce the two rules. First one is rule P. Rule P. Rule P is a given premises. Introduce the two rules. Next one, second rule is a rule T. So what is the rule T? Is the derived part. So derived premises is a rule T. Next, we will see the further one of the derivatives. Show that P tends to S. Show that P tends to S can be derived from the premises negation P or Q, negation Q or R, and R tends to S. So what is the derivation here? P tends to S. So P is a start with the premises and the end the premises is the conclusion is a S. So we will take the first one. So what is the derivation part? P tends to S. So P is a starting with the premises. We will take the additional premises. So P is a additional premises. So next one. So next we will identify for the which premises are suitable for the first premises P. So which one is a suitable? Here negation P or Q. Negation P or Q is a suitable for the first premises P. So negation P or Q. This is the rule P. Okay. So the second next one, third one. So negation P or Q is a what is the referred? This is a conditional law. So already know that the conditional law. So P implies Q. It can be written as negation P or Q. Okay, this is the RHS side of negation P or Q. So how is write the right side? P tends to Q. So P tends to Q. Negation P or Q. It can be written as P tends Q. This is a rule T. This is a conditional law. So the third step is derived from the second one. Third step derived from the second one. So next move on the next one. Next we will take the another premises. So another premises is negation Q, negation Q or R. So this is also the conditional law. This is a rule P. So what is the conditional law? The RHS equal to Q tends to R. So the Q tends to R. It can be written as negation Q or R. So this is the RHS side. So what is the LHS side? LHS side is equal to Q tends to R. This is a rule P. Apply for the conditional law. So this derivation part, fifth one is a derivation from to fourth one. So the fifth step derived from the fourth one. Next one. So already given the third rules is third steps is a P tends to Q and fifth one is a Q tends to R joined with the third and fifth. Third and fifth. So derived from the sixth. So what is the third? P implies Q, Q implies R. This is the chain rule. What is the cancel? Q, Q cancel. What is the remaining? P tends to R. This is a rule T. This is a chain rule. So next we will change the given premises R tends to S. This is already is the third premises R tends to S. This is a rule P. So joined with the, so 8th is a derivation from the 6 to 7. 6 to 7. 8th is a derived from the 6 to 7. So what is the 6? P tends to R tends to S. P tends to R tends to S. R should be cancelled. So what is the remaining? P tends to S is the remaining. This is a rule T. This is a chain rule. So the answer is P tends to S. So first one. The ninth derivation part is what is the first one? The first premises 1. The first premises is a P and the second one is a 8. So the ninth step is derived from 1 comma 8. So first this is a first derivation 1 and eighth derivation is a P tends to S. So P comma P tends to S. P should be cancelled. So what is the remaining? S is the remaining. So S is a conclusion of the S. This is the rule T. This is the modus form. So what is the here? P starting with P and end of the conclusion is, so the P tends to S is the derived part of the this problem. Thank you.